ulit.
Happy birthday to my grooviest Auntie Bebet. My fond memory of Auntie Bebet, she was the first one who took me up an escalator. That was when si Auntie Tessie left for the US. I guess it was in 1969. Bata pa ako. I was so scared. Pero sabi, hindi, Gigi, you can. Come on, come on. So she encouraged me. Pero takot na takot ako at the time kasi 3 years old lang yata ako noon. So, si Auntie Bebet, kasi we're only about 11 years apart. So, she's close to my generation. And I remember pag nagpa-party ako nung college ako, and even when I was working, I'll stay sa house niya sa Valle Verde. And then I'll always ask her, Auntie Bebet, anong oras ako pwede uuwi? Anong oras ako pwede umuwi? Kasi syempre sanay kasi mami mahigpit. So Auntie Bebet, kahit anong oras. Kaya, pag nagpa-parties, masarap mag-stay kay Auntie Bebet kasi walang curfew. So, ano pa ba? Yung isa sa mga really best memories ko Auntie Bebet. Kasi she started out, di ba, teller siya. So, she gets a lot of gifts for Christmas. And para kaming may second windfall. Kasi kaming mga girls, sasabihin niya, sige, yung mga siguro, yung mga hindi masyadong mahal naman siguro, no, na for kids, she'll tell us, sige, mamili kayo kung anong gusto niyo. So, para kaming may second gift lagi, na yun nga, from mga gifts na nakukuha niya from, from clients. So, she was always sharing it with us. And isa pang favorite memory ko of Auntie Bebet, kasi natouch ako kasi she remembered. Somebody gave her this ring na napapalitan yung stone. Iba-ibang colored stone, round stone. I think galing kay Ina yun dito sa US, I'm not sure. Pero nung bagong bigay sa kanya yun, I said to her, siguro mga around ako noon, baka 13, ganyan. Ako, Auntie Bebet, ang ganda naman ito. Pamana mo na lang sa akin. Sabi ko sa kanya. And she said, yes, okay. Pero syempre, I wasn't really expecting na maaalala niya. And then 10 years later, she gave it to me. So natuwa ako na she remembered na, this was something, maybe mga 10 years ago that happened. She'll still remembered na gusto ko yun. So, ayun, I have a lot of fond memories of Auntie Bebet kasi nga, groovy auntie talaga. She was really beautiful. I wish I looked like her. So, Auntie Bebet, happy birthday. I see your photos palagi sa Facebook. You always seem happy. Your children love you. They're always around you. Uncle Ses also loves you. So, you have a very happy birthday. This was a really good year for you. Yun lang. I wish you all the best.